Most people think making $10,000 every month from an app requires millions of downloads. That's not always true. Depending on the type of app, even 60 paying customers can be enough. So today, instead of talking about unicorn startups or billion-dollar valuations, let's do something much more practical. Let's reverse engineer 5 different mobile app ideas and see whether they can realistically become a $10,000 per month business. By the way, don't miss the 5th example. It's a type of software most people ignore, but it has surprisingly strong business potential. Before we begin, one quick clarification. This isn't a video about marketing, sales, or fundraising. There are experts who do that much better. This video looks at these businesses from a software entrepreneur's perspective. We will break down what needs to be built, who the customers are, how the business makes money, and whether it's actually worth building. Hey, I'm Ananya Banerjee, co-founder of Sunyam Software. I work with founders to turn ideas into real apps. Let's start with something almost everyone has tried at least once: building a new habit. Our first model is a habit tracking app. Whether it's getting fit, preparing for an exam, reading more books, or losing weight, a habit tracking app sounds like an obvious idea, doesn't it? But I know what you are probably thinking. Apple already has one, Google already has one, and you are absolutely right. So why would anyone build another habit tracking app? Because Apple and Google build products for a broad audience. A startup doesn't have to. A startup can build a much better solution for one specific group of people. Let's take students preparing for competitive exams. Instead of simply tracking habits, the app helps students plan study sessions, schedule revisions, track mock tests, stay focused, and build consistent learning routines. AI can personalize study recommendations based on each student's progress. You are no longer building a habit tracker, you are building a study companion. Now let's do the math. If the premium subscription costs $10 per month, you need around 1,000 paying subscribers to reach approximately $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Now let's look at it from a software perspective. Behind this simple looking app, you will need user authentication, cloud synchronization, subscription management, push notifications, analytics, AI integration, and an admin dashboard to manage the entire platform. The biggest lesson from this example is simple. Don't try to build a better app for everyone. Build a better solution for someone. Now let's move from a customer app to a business app with our second example, a fitness and gym management platform. If you have ever visited a gym, you have probably noticed that managing one isn't just about fitness. Every day, gym owners deal with memberships, attendance, trainer schedules, workout plans, renewals, and payments. Many still manage these operations using Excel sheets, WhatsApp, or multiple disconnected tools. Now imagine one platform that brings everything together. Members can book sessions and track their progress. Trainers can manage workout plans. Owners can monitor memberships, payments, and business performance, all from a single dashboard. Now let's do the math. If this software is offered as a subscription for $99 per month, you need around 100 gyms to reach approximately $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Notice the difference? The habit tracking app needed 1000 paying subscribers. This platform needs only 100 paying businesses. Now let's look at it from a software perspective. Behind this platform, you will need a member app, a trainer portal, an owner dashboard, backend services, payment integration, push notifications, analytics, and cloud synchronization. The biggest lesson from this example is simple. Sometimes finding 100 businesses willing to pay $99 every month is easier than finding 1000 individuals willing to pay $10. For our third example, let's combine one of today's biggest technologies with a real-world problem, an AI nutrition coach. Now before you say, why would anyone use this when ChatGPT already exists? That's a valid question. The answer is simple. Don't build a generic AI app. Build an AI product for a specific audience. Imagine an AI nutrition coach designed for people on a weight loss journey. Instead of asking users to type long prompts every day, the app remembers their profile, tracks their progress, analyzes meals from photos, counts calories, suggests healthcare alternatives, sends reminders, and continuously adapts their meal plans based on their goals. Now let's do the math. If the premium subscription costs $15 per month, you need around 670 paying subscribers to reach approximately $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Now let's look at it from a software perspective. Behind the scenes, you will need user authentication, AI integration, image recognition for food analysis, cloud storage, subscription management, progress tracking, push notifications, analytics, and an admin dashboard. The biggest lesson from this example is simple. Don't build a product around AI. Build a product around a problem and let AI be part of the solution. Our fourth example targets another growing industry, a co-working space management platform. Over the last few years, co-working spaces have grown rapidly. But managing one isn't as simple as renting desks. Every day, they handle memberships, desk bookings, meeting room reservations, visitor check-ins, billing, and community events. Many co-working spaces use separate tools for bookings, billing, visitor management, and communication. Managing everything in one place is still a challenge. Now imagine one platform that brings everything together. Members can reserve desks and meeting rooms from their phones. Reception can manage visitors. Owners can track occupancy, memberships, and revenue from a single dashboard. Let's do the math. If the platform is priced at $149 per month, you need around 67 co-working spaces to reach approximately $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Now let's look at it from a software perspective. This isn't just one app. You are building a member app, a reception portal, an owner dashboard, a booking engine, a payment system, push notifications, cloud services, and role-based access so each user gets the right experience. The biggest lesson from this example is simple. Great B2B software isn't measured by the number of features. It's measured by the number of business problems it solves. And finally, let's look at an industry that isn't glamorous but powers thousands of businesses every day, a warehouse management system. Most people don't think about warehouse software, but almost every e-commerce company, distributor, manufacturer, or retailer depends on efficient inventory management. Imagine running a warehouse without software, tracking inventory manually, finding products, managing stock movements, processing incoming and outgoing shipments. As the business grows, these tasks quickly become difficult to manage, and this is where a warehouse management system comes into the picture. It manages inventory, barcode scanning, stock movements, purchase orders, and real-time reporting, all from a single platform. Now let's do the math. If your software is priced at $199 per month, you need only around 50 businesses to reach approximately $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue. Now let's look at it from a software perspective. Behind this platform, you will need a mobile app for warehouse staff, an admin dashboard, barcode or QR code integration, inventory databases, cloud synchronization, reporting, role-based access, and integrations with ERP or accounting software. The biggest lesson from this example is simple. Some of the best software opportunities are not the most exciting ones. Have you noticed something common across all 5 examples? None of them need millions of downloads. They solve a real problem better than the alternatives. When you do that consistently, recurring revenue becomes a result, not a coincidence. Now it's your turn. If you have a burning idea and you want to bring it to life, reach out to me. We guide founders every step of the way from idea to launch. And if this video helped you, hit subscribe. I share practical tips to help founders build smarter, faster, and better apps. See you in the next video. Bye.